We have a 2019 Forest River Forester 30-foot with 2 slides. It's got an outside TV, power awning, hydraulic leveling, full body paint, which is a nice option. It has outside television, queen bed. It sleeps 8 people. It's got 9,000 miles. It has a 4-door refrigerator, HD TVs, outside speakers for the radio. Does have a tow package. It's a 1 owner, non-smoker. So this will make 2, this will sleep 2, this up here will sleep 2, and then obviously the bedroom in the back will sleep the other 2, equals up to 8. This here is a touch screen system, so you can roll out your awnings, you can start your generator, do your slides, everything, and you can download an application to do that too on your phone. This thing is like brand new still. Very cool closet. This one's priced at $79,995. Give us a call. Thank you.